So Megan decided on accident to drop her phone in the water, and she dropped it in. She was very upset and sad. So we had to delay in our leaving time because of the phone, but that's okay. It took about an hour to get the diver out there and to get going with the rest of the stuff. So we're trying to go to a specific location today. I don't know how it's going to go, but we'll still see if we can hit it. The breeze is nice. It's coming in. But we got a 27-foot Catalina. It's got a nice cabin below decks. It's got a little head bathroom, and it's got a bed underneath the deck here I'm standing on. So it's a nice little boat. We got our cooler packed. We got the drone. Hopefully we'll fly that and not lose it today. And we'll see how everything moves out. What I enjoy about sailing, there's always noise. Oh, look who's coming above decks. It's the phone crusher.
Not a phone crusher.
Oh, it's the water phone. Waterproof. She's the scientific tester of the phones. Do you like this boat? Hey, Coronado Island. There we go. Thank you, honey. So we killed the engine. It sounds so much better, so much more quieter. It's great. We're coming around the point. That was the whole reason why we killed the engine. We wanted to get a little further out here before we did that. We just did, and we're going to be moving on to our destination. A nice little sail. The tide is going out, which is helping push us out of the bay. Smile for the camera. Point. We're getting some seas, some big old rough seas out here.
Oh,
we look at Captain Megan on 180 degrees bearing, routed out to sea. She's working hard, and she's doing good. She's keeping the boat exactly where it needs to be. Megan's at it again. She doesn't feel very good. We did the seasick patches, and I don't think it worked as well as they should. I guess they don't do anything, but we did put it on this morning and not 4 hours before, so I don't know if don't know if that's the reason why, because we put the seasick patches on too late. But anyways, yeah, she ate 2 rows of sushi in a nice big Costco sushi thing, and I didn't have any yet. I'm waiting. I didn't know if she wanted to eat the rest.
The ocean's mad because I ate its friend.
Oh, what was that? The ocean's mad because she ate its friends. So the ocean's getting payback for Megan eating all the little fishy friends. We're still making good headway. It's a gorgeous day, not a cloud in the sky. The planes have been going over us like crazy. But, I mean, that's what it is. It's a training day. It's a Monday. Can't really see ahead, but there's a feeding frenzy going on in the water. A lot of birds are coming down, dive bombing the area around here, so there's some goodies. Lots of fishies in the water. They are going crazy. They can't really see them, but there's dolphins right out in front of us. There's a whole pod of them. And they're coming this way too. Megan and I got lucky again. We just came across a nice couple pods of dolphins, or one big pod of dolphins. Coming up all around the boat. Really neat to see those cats out here again. Up in front of us is another pod of dolphins jumping out of the water. They're all to your left. Oh, over here. Look at them all. This is great. Look at them all. They're all in sync over there. Oh, I see them. Yeah, there's a big ball. That was a neat experience, getting to see a whole couple other potted dolphins feeding. Jumping out of the water all in sync like that. It's pretty neat to see them work together. Get their food for the day. To the island. Megan did a good job of steering us there. Drone got some good footage. It was hard getting it back on the boat. Nicked my finger, so cut that pretty deep from the fan blade or whatever. That was interesting. So now we're headed back away from the beautiful island and San Diego. Journey. The islands are behind us far. We're making our way to the bay. And we keep passing by tons of dolphins. It's very nice. And the wind has been very constant and steady, which is even nicer. So Megan's quite comfortable. So we made it back to the bay. It got really cold all day just because of the wind, so I put on my wind jacket and Scully. But yeah, we're underpowered till we get to the dock just because we're losing time. The wind started dying down really bad, so not terrible, but we were just kind of in a hurry to get back. poor Megan, she got really wet with that big wave from the big old container ship came over. Our boat just plowed through it like some sort of a torpedo. The wave came right up over the entire top of the boat. And it came right down and got her all soaking wet. Not too wet, but it's just yeah, we took a deep dive into it. It's pretty impressive. But we're coming into the harbor now. We're gonna go park the boat and we're gonna head home, which will be nice because it's pretty chilly. Megan has been wearing these socks the entire day. Warm and fuzzy.
They're so good. Highly recommend.
We finally made it back. Got the boat parked and everything. Perfect parking job. And we are headed home.